Francois-Charles Laprevote, and I'm a partner at Cleary Gottlieb in Brussels. I've written this article together with a team of very talented lawyers at Cleary, Pérez de Lamo, Camilla, Cozzani, Carmen, Rubio, Bañeres, who is now at the OECD, and we wrote an article on the landmark judgment of the Court of Justice in Europe on the Apple tax ruling case. This was an enormous amount that was considered to be state aid by the European Commission, more than 40 billion euros that had to be recovered. The Commission considered that the tax ruling, which was granted by the Irish authorities, basically constituted state aid to Apple in the form of what is called a selective advantage. And the issue essentially of the Commission was that basically the profits were allocated in a way that basically the profits went from Apple's branches in Ireland to their head office, which was taxed nowhere. Now, the General Court had annulled the Commission decision on the ground that basically the Commission had not sufficiently demonstrated its case, and the European Court of Justice in October 2024, a few months before the end of the term of Commissioner Vestager, who was really at the initiative of this saga of cases concerning tax rulings to big multinationals, the European Court of Justice in turn annulled the General Court judgment and confirmed the Commission decision. The key lesson from all these cases that were handled by the Court of Justice and that concerned tax rulings, there was the NG case, Amazon, Fiat, Starbucks, is essentially that while member states have a form of discretion to determine their rules in terms of direct taxation, once they start deviating from these rules and these national rules, not a hypothetical EU-level principle of arm's length, once the member states deviate from their own rules, then we are talking about state aid and about a possible selective advantage. So in a way, the judgment embodies a kind of very European compromise between the sovereignty of member states, especially on taxation matters, and at the same time, the possibility for the Commission to intervene in state aid cases that basically put at risk the single market.